Hey everyone, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Linda with LGQUEEN Home Decor. If you're tuned in today, you're in for a real treat. I will be showing you all how to make multiple luxury outdoor DIYs that you won't find in any store. These DIYs will completely transform any space and take yours to the next level just as it did for mine. You will also get to see outdoor entertaining ideas and decorating ideas to decorate your space. I will feature many decor items to give you ideas and inspiration, so make sure to stay tuned all the way until the end. As a part of being here today, I will be picking one winner to help get started with their own outdoor project. All you have to do is be subscribed, give this video a like, leave a comment below, and make sure to share this video with someone you know that could use the inspiration and motivation. For the $100 giveaway, I will write the name of the winner in the description box 1 week from today. Now let's get started on this first DIY project. To replicate this first DIY, you'll need to get some wood, stacked stone, construction adhesive, and a drill with screws. Depending on how big you want your project to be, you may need your home improvement store to make some cuts for you for the wood. I based the measurements by first placing the stone together on the ground, and then I could measure how big the frame would be. For whichever stone you choose, to get an even look, I recommend finding stone that has corner pieces so you don't have to cut the stone. This will save you time and will have a more natural look. This worked perfectly to design this centerpiece. The wood will be used to make a frame so that the stone can be glued to it. This will ensure it's sturdy and can be moved around. If the project you see here will be used outside, make sure to get pressure treated wood so that it can hold up for a longer time if exposed to the weather. Or you could just use some water resistant stain or paint to coat it. Since my DIYs won't be getting wet and will be under a covered patio, I just went with untreated wood. Now glue every stone piece and wait 24 hours to dry. You can add real or faux flowers in here. If you wanted to put real flowers or plants, you could drill holes in the bottom of the base for drainage and it would turn out beautiful. As I'm finishing up with this first DIY and we'll be placing it to decorate on our outdoor patio, the outdoors is also a place my family and I really enjoy spending quality time at. You will see coming up how I give our patio table setup a Father's Day theme. If any of you out there will be celebrating your father or husband that is a father and thinking, what can you gift on this Father's Day? I'd like to help you out with some ideas. Today's video sponsor is Wayfair, and if you didn't know, Wayfair is the paramount destination for everything home. Not only can you get home decor and furniture from here, but you can also find amazing Father's Day gifts, as I was able to do so as well. I ended up picking out several items and gifting these to my husband for this special day. He has always enjoyed cooking and grilling out and has wanted a griddle for quite some time now. I ended up gifting him this Blackstone 36-inch griddle. Griddles are a wonderful addition to outdoor appliances as they're very versatile. You may have heard these being called flat top grills. They're capable of virtually any cooking style with help from the right accessories. Since this is a larger 36-inch flat top, he will be able to cook a good amount of food in one setting. This includes foods such as pancakes, eggs, burgers, hibachi, Philly cheesesteaks, veggies, and so much more. Setup out of the box was a breeze for him, and it offers many features. It has dual folding side shelves that you can hang in close for placing items on. It has a paper towel holder for easy cleanup and also features 4 burners and a rail system for additional accessories. He can easily move this around as it has portability wheels and 2 casters. The first meal he ended up preparing was a Philly cheesesteak on pita bread, and it turned out amazing. We look forward to making great meals and memories with this for years to come. To accompany the cookouts and make things even more easier, I picked up this deluxe aluminum case grill tool set. The storage case looks very high-end and makes organizing the tools even better. Each tool is made with durable stainless steel with a solid construction handle attached. They're also designed with convenient hooks to hang on the sides of the griddle or in the kitchen for storage. To ensure the griddle stays protected outdoors and when not in use, I went with this protective griddle cover. The material is very durable to resist all types of weather and is UV treated to prevent sun damage. As part of being outdoors and with summer also right around the corner, I wanted to get a cooler that could be a decorative piece as well and a place to store cold drinks. With Wayfair's fast shipping, I ended up getting this beautiful chill side table by Veradec. The top swivels around acting as the lid and you can store up to 48 12-ounce cans inside. I really like the design and it comes in several different colors to complement your very own space. They're designed to be crack-proof and are made of heavy-duty concrete plastic composite. You can leave these outdoors all day long, maintenance-free, and are specially treated with UV inhibitors to prevent fading in the hot summer sun. The items I just featured from Wayfair are just a tiny glimpse of what you can choose from. They offer the widest and deepest selection of amazing products for every part of your home. I have got so many home decor items over the years, such as outdoor rugs, planter trees, lighting, and so much more to help me with my spaces, and I can't recommend them enough to you guys. In addition to furniture and decor, Wayfair offers multiple outdoor selections such as grills, umbrellas, gazebos, patio dining sets, hot tubs, tents, and so many more outdoor fun items that can make the perfect gifts for this Father's Day. If you were wondering what you could possibly get for your loved one on this Father's Day or even for yourself, I hope to have helped you to gather some ideas. To shop Wayfair for all things outdoor and for quick access, I'll leave everyone the link in my description box that will take you directly to their great offers. Thank you to Wayfair for providing everyone such an amazing selection of products and value. Now let's get back to working on this next DIY. This will be a planter for my patio. You will begin by measuring your stone to get the dimensions of the frame. Once you have built the frame, you can begin gluing the stone all around it. The stone really helps to elevate your patio appearance and looks very high-end. Since this is a project you will make yourself, you won't see this style in any store. Depending on how big of one you make, it can get heavy, so you may need someone to help you lift it. There are so many ways to decorate it with plants and flowers for years and years to come. I want to thank each and every supporter tuned in today and who stayed until the end to see all scenes, including the DIYs. I take the time to read all of your beautiful comments you leave me, and it means so much. Don't forget to visit the link in my description box that will take you to Wayfair and all the items I featured today for Father's Day. Your support means so much, and if you're new here today, I welcome you to subscribe to follow me on this journey. I'll talk to y'all soon in my next video. Take care.